Welcome to Vertiv Next Connect. For this demonstration, we'll move on to performing an actual update on a single UPS. From the Device Details page, open the Detail menu and select Edit. This reveals the Update Firmware button. Click Update Firmware to see the available versions for this UPS model. Select the version you want. Then click Apply Firmware Update. Confirm to begin and the update will run. A few important notes. Firmware updates can run in the background. You can safely navigate away. Devices should ideally have a unique IPv4 address for smoother updates. Both monitored and unmonitored devices can be updated, including those with only IPv6. And that's it! You've just seen how to perform a single firmware update in Vertiv Next Connect. For more tips and support, visit our Help Center or reach out to your Vertiv Next Connect representative.